about to come. Yes, it has been delayed due to specific reasons, but great. This gives us time to revise about what has happened in GOT till date. After a summer lasting almost 10 years, the words of House Stark has finally become reality once again. Winter has come. So in the King's Landing, Cersei Lannister has finally seized the power that she has craved for many years. In one swift move, she has eliminated nearly all of her enemies, rivals and obstruction. Queen Marjorie Tyrell, Lord Tyrell, Sir Loras Tyrell, Cersei uncle Sir Lannister, Grand Maester. Cersei has crowned herself undisputed Queen of 7 Kingdoms, with Qyburn as her hand and undead knight Sir Gregor Clegane at her side. And most of the members of Faith Militant were killed when the Great Sept of Baelor was destroyed using the large amount of wildfire. Nearly after 4 decades of serving from behind the throne, House of Lannister is now the royal house. However, Cersei is still haunted by the prophecy she was told during her childhood, which claimed that the death of 3 children would predate her own. Joffrey, Myrcella and Tommen all are dead. In Riverland, House Frey has reclaimed the River Run, but Lord Walder Frey is also dead. Arya Stark, despite being killed by the Wave and ultimately overcoming the assassin in single combat, has completed her training as a faceless man in the free city of Braewood.
A girl is Arya Stark of Winterfell, and I'm going home.
With her original mission, she is returned back to Westeros to cross more names off of her list of vengeance, starting with the Walder Frey, the last survivor orchestrator of the Red Wedding that claimed the lives of her mother, brother and the pregnant sister-in-law. Also, the Hound has survived the brutal fight with the Brain of Tarth and attempted to build a humble life, but has been dragged back into the conflict by the Brotherhood without banners. In the Iron Island, the King Balon Greyjoy is dead, and Euron has claimed and won the Salt Throne by promising an alliance with Daenerys Targaryen, which he will use to conquer the 7 Kingdoms. In desperation and in fear of their lives, Theon and Yara have stolen 100 ships from the Iron Fleet, with sailors and soldiers loyal to them. They have travelled to Meereen and sought out Daenerys' help first. They have managed to secure an alliance between House Targaryen and House Greyjoy to help Daenerys retake the Iron Throne and overthrow Euron. And in the north, Jon Snow and Sansa Stark, with the help of Sir Davos, Lady Mormont and Tormund, has defeated Ramsay and claimed Winterfell. With the Robb and Rickon dead and Bran believed to be dead as well, the Northern and the Vale Lords have turned to Jon and named him the new King of the North. And also, Sansa has rejected Littlefinger's proposal to help him take the Iron Throne and become his queen. So after navigating a lot of obstacles, Samwell Tarly, Gilly and her son has reached Citadel in Old Town, where Samwell intends to train as a maester to replace the deceased Maester Aemon of the Night Watch, hoping to gain some insight into the White Walker and how to defeat them. And beyond the wall, Bran Stark has been training his power of green sight under the tutelage of the 3-eyed Raven and has learned some devastating secrets, specifically the origin of the White Walkers and the true parentage of his believed half-brother. Bran and Meera Reed has been rescued by Bran's undead uncle Benjen Stark. So this has been a complete revision for you to get ready for season 7. If you like my video, what are you waiting for? Click the like button, share my video and subscribe to my channel.